I think this is recording. Okay. So I'm gonna be showing you how to build a boosted computer. Okay. So let's start off with this thingy. It's called a CPU. It's the thingy that does all the processing. So yeah. So we gotta so you see how there's like an arrow on that thing? There's an arrow on the CPU as well. So we're gonna line that up. And I'm gonna put this in the socket without much force because I might break all those sensitive pins in there. So I'm gonna put this in here so you see it fits. Then lock down this retention arm. Yay! First part. Now this thing needs to have a cooler or else it might burn your house down. Or it used to at least. So we gotta put a cooler on here. Gonna screw it in. Give me a sec. Preferably in a crosswise pattern. So you apply even pressure to the CPU. Come on. Okay, there you go. Alright. Alright, next is the RAM. I already put attached here. But oh shoot, I dropped. Okay. So basically it goes in a slot. See how there's a slot here? You correspond it to this slot on the hole. Slide it in. Just kind of okay. There you go. I'm gonna push it in all the way. And then you should hear a click. There you go. And just do that for like the rest of the slots. Okay, what next? Let's try. Okay, now let's plug in the data. So this is the connector used for data for your hard drive. So you plug it into one of these slots. I'll just plug in the black one because it should work. Alright. And plug the other end onto the hard drive. Oh shoot, it's gonna be Alright, now it's plugged in. Now next is the graphics card. It's a Radeon 4830, a legendary GPU from 2007, I think. And you should just plug it into this slot if you have one, depending on the motherboard. It should fit in there, but for this purpose, I'm not doing that because this power supply is terrible. It doesn't support the power this thing needs. Alright, so now we show the power supply and plug this in. Oh shoot, I hit the screws. Okay, so we gotta plug in these plugs to the corresponding socket. Alright, oh gosh. Okay, so this 20 pin fits into this one. Struggles of recording while trying to film. Then you should see there's a key there, so it fits in correctly. Okay, there's a click. Next is the SATA power, which goes into the hard drive. So you see it goes into the hard drive. Let's put that here for now. And the CPU itself needs power, so this 4-pin goes directly into this right here. And this is the power for the cooler right here. Goes straight into the motherboard. Okay. And I think that should be it. Hopefully. Alright. Now I need to find some power for this thing. Okay, I'm back. Got the power and stuff. Alright. So let's see if this computer still works. Alright, so there's no power switch on this, but I can short these two pins over here so I can end it. So I can close the circuit, making this thing activate. Let's see if it works. Come on. Come on. Alright, troubleshoot. Okay, troubleshooting is over. Yeah. Remember to plug in your appliances so, you know, electronics don't work without power. So let's try that again. Oh, it powered on. Let's see the monitor. Oh, HP. Oh, yeah. Oh, great. GG. Yay, I built a computer, so yeah, don't mind that. This motherboard is sort of broken. There you go. I will make you do something like this next. Well, in real life at least.